Welcome back to What You Want to Get Which You Want. In today's video, we are exploring the essential tools and technologies every software architect should know. From diagramming and designing tools to API gateway and load balancer and monitoring system, we will cover the software that bring your architecture variant to life. Let's get started. Every great architect need a blueprint. For software, diagramming tools are indispensable for visualizing and planning your system. We will take tools overview. First one is Draw.io and Lucidchart. These are popular user-friendly diagramming tools that allow you to create flowcharts, system diagram and architectural blueprints. Microsoft Visio, a more advanced option that integrates with other Microsoft products, ideal for enterprise environment. Archimate and Enterprise Architect. These are specialized tools for creating detailed architecture models and managing complex projects. Imagine designing a microservices system for a streaming service. You can use Lucidchart to map out how each service like user authentication, streaming, recommendation, and billing interacts. This visual blueprint makes it easier for both developer and stakeholders to understand your design. Next up are API gateways and load balancer, which are critical for managing and scaling communication in distributed system. Firstly, we will see overview of API gateway. API gateway act as the single entry point for client requests, managing routing, security, and rate limiting. We will see popular tools. Kong AWS API Gateway and APIGE are widely used to streamline communication between microservices. Consider an online retail platform where multiple microservices handle different functions. An API gateway ensures that requests from mobile apps or web clients are routed correctly while enforcing security policies. Next, we will see load balancer. Load balancer distributes incoming traffic across multiple servers to ensure no single server is overwhelmed. Popular tools used for it: Nginx, HAProxy, and AWS Elastic Load Balancing are common choices for maintaining high availability and performance. For instance, during a major sale, a load balancer can distribute user traffic evenly across your server, ensuring the website remains responsive and fast. Maintaining a reliable system means keeping a close eye on performance and security. Monitoring and logging tools help you do that. Monitoring tools Prometheus and Grafana. These open source tools allow you to collect and visualize system matrices in real time, helping you detect performance issues before they become critical. New Relic and Datadog. These platforms provide comprehensive monitoring and alerting services that are particularly useful in production environments. Logging tools ELK Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana. The ELK Stack is popular for aggregating and visualizing logs from various sources. Splunk, another robust tool for log management and data analysis, often used in larger enterprises. Security tools. Security is a paramount in any system. Tools like OWSP, ZAP, Sync, and various Farewell solutions help safeguard your application against vulnerabilities. For example, a financial service app might use Datadog for monitoring the ELK stack for logging user activity and Sync to continue sign for vulnerabilities. Modern software architecture also relies heavily on DevOps practices and CI/CD pipelines to ensure smooth, continuous delivery of features and fixes. CI/CD tools Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, and Circle CI. These tools automate your build, test, and deployment processes, ensuring rapid and reliable delivery of updates. Container orchestrations. Kubernetes. As discussed in previous videos, Kubernetes is essential for managing containerized applications, allow you to scale services seamlessly. Version control. Git and GitHub, GitLab, Gitbucket. Version control system help team collaborate effectively and maintain a robust code base. Think of a deployment team working on a new feature for social media app. With Jenkins and Kubernetes, code changes are automatically build tested and deployed to production with minimal downtime, ensuring that users always get the latest update without disruptions. To wrap up, the right tools and technologies can dramatically enhance the effectiveness of your software architecture. Whether you are designing a new system or scaling an existing one, these tools from diagramming and API gateway to monitoring and CI/CD solutions are critical for success in today's fast-paced technology. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to What You Want for more insights on software architecture, and let me know in the comments which tools you can't live without in your projects. In our next and final video in this series, we will discuss career and growth as a software architect, covering how to break into the field, essential skills, certifications, and more. So stay tuned. Thank you.